Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will be seeing about a library that I have created for showing a custom dialog. You just have to initialize the dialog to wherever you want to show the pop-up and send the title, description and the image URL. Two different things that you can implement over here is first you can send an image URL and then say if it is an image or an animation, and then second, if you want to initialize it with an animation, then you can send a lottie animation to it. So either you will be seeing an image or you will be seeing a lottie animation. So these are the dependencies that you need to add. So let's start with creating an application and see how the dialog works. Okay, I'm going to create a new project and I'll name the project as my dialog. So now the application is loaded and it's ready. We'll just add a button over here in the layout. Okay, after adding the button, the next that we are going to do is just to initialize the button in the main activity and then call the dialog. I've added an on-click listener over here. So inside this, we will be calling the dialog. So for calling the dialog, first we need to add the dependencies of the dialog. So I'll go to the Gradle file and I'll add the dependency over here. Now the Gradle file is synced successfully. We'll just add the internet permission in the manifest file now. After adding the internet permission, we'll just start declaring the custom dialog. So here I've declared the custom dialog. Now I'll start with initializing it inside the button click. Okay, and here you can see there are two things for image over here. One is to set the image URL and the next is to set the image drawable. So if you suppose do not have a URL and want to set image drawable, then you can directly give drawable dot set it to some the button background, and you can set it to some background or some image over here, but I'll be going with the URL now. Okay, now you can see that I've added an image URL over here, and next we just have to call the create dialog function. So the dialog is created, we are sending all the details that we want. So let's run the application and see how it works. Now the app is installed successfully and you can see the button that we have added. On click on this button, this dialog has to be called and all the title description that we have given over here has to be executed over there. So let's see if that works. So here you can see the image that I've given with the heading as hello and welcome to my channel as the description. So on clicking on the close button, the dialog will get disappeared. Now in the place of image, I want to replace this with an animation. So I'll just set a Lottie animation URL over here. So this is the URL that I'm adding. And one more thing that we need to do is to change this to true. Only then the animation will work. So now we can run the application and see how it is. So here the application is successfully installed. Click on the click here button and then see what happens. So this is the animation that I've added and it is loaded successfully. Thank you so much for watching the video.